Hi guys, I thought for today's video that we would do something a little more fun and talk about how quick and easy printable scrapbook pages are. All of these layouts I have done and I've shown you, and most of them I showed you in videos from this past week. But all of these layouts I've completed in like under 20 minutes. And so let's just go ahead and count how many I have, and we'll just take a quick view over them as well because I think they're super cute. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 layouts done in less than 20 minutes. That's awesome. That's like a record-breaking thing. And I think they all look super cute. And as you can see, like these two are the exact same layout printed out. Very similar pictures. Didn't mean to do that. But if you wanted to add some more personalization to it, you can add some washi tape to it. Maybe you have some gems that you want to add, or I don't have it with me, but like a little movie ticket I've been waiting to use on one of these layouts. So lots of options to customize these, and they're so quick and easy, so much fun. And I just love them. I love them. I love them. I love them. So if you want to go ahead and try printable scrapbooks out for yourself, head to the link in my description box. And if you click the top bar, you can try a set of 3 for free. And let me know what you think of them. I love them, and I can't wait to make more. And I'm going to have so many freaking scrapbooks because I also have the original layouts plus all of these printed. But I love them, and I have so many freaking photos. I'm not complaining. So I hope this was kind of fun for you guys, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.